Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So, how are you all? How was your day? So, today we are going to learn about fruit collector game. Okay, it means suppose this is your monkey, so we can say Mr. Monkey needs banana. Okay, so what I will do first, I will run this project. So, what is this game? You have to catch the apple. Once you will catch the apple, you will get some sound and you will get a score also, as you can see. So by using our left arrow and right arrow, we can move the monkey. Okay. So this is our project. We have to create this. So first thing, we will require some sprite here and we will require some backdrop. Okay, so how we will add a sprite, how we will add our backdrop, and how we will do our coding part, that we will see. So what we will do first, we will take one new project here. So as you can see, once you will click on new, you will get one new project. So we have this cat. Instead of cat, if you want any other sprite, even you can add that. Okay, as you can see, we have all these sprites, so you can add any other sprite also. Suppose I want to add this giga, so you will get your giga, and I want to delete the cat. So as you can see, this is the giga. Okay, and we want one more sprite, which is fruit. If you will search for fruit, you will get different type of fruit. Suppose we want strawberry, you will get your strawberry. Okay, after that, we can add some backdrop. Suppose I want to add this blue sky. So as you can see, we have three things here. One backdrop and two sprite. The first sprite is the giga and the second one is the strawberry. So now we will start our scripting part for the giga. So what is the working of giga? Which algorithm we have to follow here? Like when we will press left arrow and right arrow, we want to move the giga in the x-axis. Okay, so always we have to start from event when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, we want to move forever. Forever means continuously. So we will add this forever. Here we have to apply two conditions, like if we will click on the right arrow, so we want to move to the right direction. If we will click on the left arrow, so we want to move to the left direction. So this is our first condition and this one is our second condition. Okay, you got it? Like when flag is clicked in the forever, we want to add two condition. Okay, so how we will add that condition? We need to just go to the sensing, and here what we have to do, we will take this key here and here. So instead of space, first we will select right arrow and then we will select left arrow. After that, for right arrow, so this is your right direction, right? So here we have to add our positive because x-axis here we have positive and here we have negative. Okay, if you want the basic thing, you can check our previous video. I will give you the playlist in our comment section and in the description box also, so you can check that. Okay, so here we want to change x by 10 for the right arrow, and here we want to change x by minus 10. Okay, minus 10 means negative value. So now see, if I will click on the flag, if we will press the left arrow, right arrow, as you can see, the giga is moving. Perfect. Very good. So now we will do for strawberry. So for the strawberry, what we will do here? Like when we will click on the flag, first we want strawberry fall down, right? From any random position. So again, we will add first our event when flag is clicked. So we have to go to the random position. So in the motion, you will get go to random position. And as you can see, if you will take your strawberry here, what is the Y position? It is near about 167. If you will move it up, you will get 197. So it means like we want fall down from here near about 180. So here we have to set initially, we want to set our y to near about 180. Okay, see. So it means when flag is clicked, we want to go to random position and we want, see, here you will get random position in the y-axis, right? Now, how we will fall down? The next thing, how we will fall down. So again, we will add some more event. So you need to just go to the event when flag is clicked. So we want it forever. Forever means again and again continuously. So we will take this forever. First, we want to change y because we want to fall down. So this is our y axis, right? So we need to just go to the motion, and here instead of changing x, we have to change our y. Okay. So we need to change y by -5. Means we have to fall down. Now we will check if your y position. Now it means if your strawberry is near about here, means that is near about 136. Again, we have to go to the up direction. Okay. So we have to apply the conditions, certain conditions. It means if we have to take if our y position. So we need to just go to the operators. We will take greater than. It means if our y position, so we need to just go to the motion, and here once you will scroll down, you will get your y position. If the y position is less than -170, means that is the bottom part. So again we have to go to the random position, means from here we have to start that. So once you will scroll up, you will get your, so we will get our go to random position. Random position means at any position. Okay. And then again we have to set our y. Means this we have to repeat again. So where we have our set y, this. So again we have to start from 180. Means if strawberry will come here, again we have to go here. Means we have to follow this. Okay. After that, suppose if you want to add a score. Score means if Kika will touch to the strawberry, we have to increase the score by 1. Okay. So it means first we need to create one variable, make a variable, write down the name, score here, and click on OK. You will get your score. So again, we have to apply the event when flag is clicked. We have to set our score to 0. So we need to take this instead of my variable, we will add. So initially, as you can see, we have a score 0. Okay. Again, we have to do that continuously. So we have to go to the control, take your forever here. After that, what condition we will apply now? If Giga will touch to your strawberry, so it means your if condition. So where we will get a touching part. In the same scene, we have this touching. Okay, we need to just add this. Instead of mouse pointer, we will take Giga. It means if Giga will touch to your strawberry. Okay, for that, what we have to do, we have to change our score by 1. It means we have to increase the score. So that you will get inside your variable change. Instead of my variable, we have to add a score. Means we need to change our score by 1. Okay. Then suppose if you want to start a sound, you can start a sound also. Okay. Again, we have to go to the random position and we have to set our voice. So you can just right click here, duplicate, and we can that add here. Very simple. So now as you can see, when we will click on the flag, you will get that. See? Perfect. But what we want, suppose if you want to reduce the pointer, so like if Kika will not touch to the strawberry, so we have to reduce the point. So for that, what we need to do, we need to just go to the event, like a when flag is clicked. So what condition we will check here? So go to the control, take your forever, because we want that continuously. So forever, if condition, if y position is, so again we have to go to the operators. So here we will again take this one. So here we have to add our y position, means this one, means if that is your minus 170 means ground position. So after that, we have to change the score by -1. Means we have to reduce our point. We need to go to the variable. We will change this. And always you have to select your variable name. Instead of 1, we have to write it -1. Okay, done. So now see, if we will click on the flag, see we have a score 3. See, you will get your score, right? So you can enjoy this game now. And how you will share project. First you have to rename your project. Then you need to just click on the share button and we have to just copy this link and you can paste wherever you want. Okay. So you have to create this project. Okay. And what you have to do, instead of this sprite, you can add any other sprites also. And after that, you have to share your project link in the comment section. I will check that and I will give you some reviews also. Okay. So please try this project. Okay. So if you really like this video, so please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.